Hello everybody, how you doing today? We got a little bit of an unboxing to do. Today we have the Andonstar AD246, or is it? It's S-M HDMI digital microscope. So let's get right to it and see what's in it. Alright. Comes with some instructions. Seems to be pretty well packaged. The display. Got the HDMI plug. I think this is a specimen holder. The HDMI wire. Here's a 32 gigabyte card, because it takes a card. It installs in the back right here for recording and taking pictures. This microscope also video records and takes pictures. Here is the remote. Bunch of specimen holders. I believe, yeah, this is a lit, and this is where it plugs in. This is a lit specimen holder. You put the specimens through there. It lights up for looking at smaller items. And this is probably, well, there's a couple of little screw brackets. Here's the lenses. I believe one lens is on it, and there's two lenses in here. Comes with 3 different lenses. Alright. Just to the side. Some more cables for plugging everything in. Here's the platform for it. The electrical plug in the back. Here's the arm, adjustable arm for this. That's it. Alright, let's get it together. See how it looks. Okay, I believe this will just screw in here. Well, alright, we screwed that pole in there. There's a built-in automatic stop, so you don't lower it so far as to drop your camera right down onto things. This right here. I had to unscrew the 2 screws to remove the lens that was installed in it, to allow it to go down on there properly. Alright, there we go. It's pretty easy to replace them. As you can see, there's a little metal screw tab here to insert there. So you just unscrew it, put it in there, screws right in place. Real simple. Well, alright, I got the wiring and everything plugged in. So let's plug it into the wall and see what it does. The lights are on. Oh, when the screen came on. Okay. Let's see. Let me take cover off. screen protector back on. Came with the screen protector. I didn't do that. I'll have to do that at a better time. So it's on. Let's see. Let's just go with both the remote and spotlights up and down. Power off. Power on. Sure this has all the editing and different tools to zoom and things here. All I did was stick the lens that was on it back on it, because you had to take the lens off to install it. Let's put something underneath it and see what it looks like. Let's see what I have here. This is about the size of a thumbnail here. Much smaller than a thumbnail, I should say. And there you go. Yeah. Let's take that screen protector off. Let's put the lights on it. There you go. Zoom in a little bit. I don't know if my phone can capture that so well. Let me. Doesn't seem to be too bad. Zooms in nice and clean and clear. This also has the ability to just plug right into the back of a television. That's what this HDMI cable's for. The HDMI cable goes right in the top of this, and you can run it to a TV. And what you see here, you can see on the television screen. Looks like it came with a couple extra little, I don't know what you'd call them. Couple extras good. Something for the specimens to plug in and light up. I'll be doing repairs, so I won't be looking through that. Also came with the 32 gigabyte card and a couple more lenses. So 3 lenses total. And yeah, I'm looking forward to messing around with this. Has a built-in camera. That's what the SD card's for, so you can videotape and also take photos. And it's compatible to hook up to a computer. So I will definitely have to spend some time messing with this and see how it goes. But as you can see, it's pretty easy to look right down inside. Nice and clean picture. Well, alright everybody. I'm sure you will see this in future videos and see how it performs. So I hope you enjoyed and have a good day. Just one last thing before I go. I figured I would show the back side. So you can see it is quite adjustable. This will slide out quite a bit farther forward or backwards, and a bit farther up and down. And it has the stop here that you can adjust to make sure you don't end up dropping it all the way down to the point where you hit whatever you're looking at. And then also some more adjusting up and down right here for zooming in and out. So, alright, there you go.